What is up, everyone? This is Simple Product Reviews here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Amazon Basics wired keyboard. So I've actually used this for over a year now. I actually have two of these, and I wanted to give my impressions of after basically using it actually longer than a year, if not like 4 years. So I have one for my personal computer, and I have one for my work laptop essentially. And like I said, I've been using it for a very long time, so you can actually definitely see wear and tear come into the keyboard, obviously, but it still works in exceptional condition. I've actually dropped water. I'm not saying you should be on this, tea, and it worked fine. I dropped it on the number pad, just cleaned it up real quickly, dried it out. Still worked perfectly fine. You can see, like I said, there's wear and tear. You can see it gets dirty at certain places, and it's kind of hard to clean inside those edges. I take it off. I try to run a cloth through them. Usually what I wipe my phone with, I usually use that cleaner. And yeah, I wanted to kind of give my impressions on it. It's a cheap keyboard for $12. It literally gets the job done. A lot of Amazon Basic stuff usually gets the job done for that price. It's usually cheaper. I don't know how Amazon does it, but they usually send a better product, if not an equal product, to other competitors for a cheaper price. That's usually the best thing that I like about these Amazon products. But I did not get their mouse combo. I will make a separate video, I should say, on that one. I think this will come out first, and the other one on the mouse itself. But overall, very good keyboard. Like I said, it gets the job done. It does not have those things that keyboards usually have, because it comes with the edge itself, as you can see here. Usually keyboards have a thing you put over here that it makes you kind of stick up so you can type easily, but it comes with that, which again, I overall like. The other ones, they can sometimes break off. I had it with my old keyboard that happened, but pretty cool. Like I said, all the F keys are on the top. You have your volume buttons over here, the keypad over here, which I personally like, and you have your usual screens over here, home and delete, etc. And again, I use this overall, works very well. My other one, I use it with a Mac laptop, and it actually works. It's fairly compatible. You just tweak it up a little bit. And yeah, just wanted to give my quick review on it. Would definitely recommend folks to buy this. All the links will be in the description below. And it's only, like I said, $12, which is the best part about this keyboard. So yeah, highly recommend you guys checking it out and getting it if you're in the market for a keyboard. But yeah, if you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button, helps a lot. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. On that, Simple Products out. Peace.